Time for the Qatar Grand Prix. Let's go, Ferrari. Oh, would you like some? Really? Lando just got a 10-second penalty. Just to have something to happen. The only reason I am cheering against Lando is because I want Ferrari to run the constructors. Just so you know, that's the priority. And let's hope. But Carlos is looking. Yes! Let's go! Come on, Shelly. Lando's in last. That was lame. I think that was lame. I'm happy for the constructors, but that was lame. Now I'm gonna take some Depop photos, but I need to move the bins. I moved those out. I think I'm gonna move the ones over there over here, but I do have all of these and they need to just get shoved back in the closet, I think, and then I'll fold them later. I've now tried on all of the new items of clothing except for one skirt that I forgot about, but I'm just gonna do it later. And now I need to do the measurements and take the photos of the label. So I'm gonna get going on that. My parents brought me matcha, and I just finished editing Vlogmas Day 1, and it's going up in an hour from now. And I'm going to start editing today, Vlogmas Day 2, so that it's ready to go up. Getting on that grind. I'm back up in the Depop room, and I'm packaging an order right now. So I thought I would just take you along. Right now I'm trying to see if it'll fit in this smaller cute one. There we go. We got it. And now I add one of these to every order. I think I'm gonna get this in sticker form though. The next time. I'm gonna add that. And then peel and stick. And I like to make sure I'm not getting the clothing piece caught in it. So I fold that over like so, and then make sure it sticks, and then I like to press out any extra air, and now put on the label. And then I'm gonna go back to measuring all of the things that I tried on and taking photos of that, but I can't use you and show you how I do that or show me doing that, so I'll catch up with you when I'm done. Little update. Now I'm gonna put my brother's stuff in a bag so it's all contained, and then move the bins back in. I'm tired. Now here's what we're looking at. It's time to tackle this. Okay, y'all, here is the final. This is my brother's stuff, so Miles, love you, but you have to organize and deal with this because I already did your Depop stuff. There are the bins and my brother's Depop stuff. There is no overflow in the closet. I'm not going to show you the closet because I don't want to deal with it. You already saw it earlier. And this is cleared off and organized, kind of. It's organized chaos in that bin, but just whatever. And also this calendar I'm using to keep up with all of my orders so I can kind of see the trend line of my shop, which is really fun and really depressing at the same time because I've made 2 sales in the last week. I'm used to making like 1 a day, or the equivalent of 1 a day. It's usually like 2, skip a day, 2, skip a day, 1. You get the idea. But that hasn't been happening lately, and I've heard winter slow season, So I'm just really trying to keep it up, bump it up, and not get too discouraged. That's where we're at. But like, we've got some inventory, so if you're interested in anything, I literally have some really cute items that I don't know why they haven't sold. So if you're looking to add to your closet and add sustainably found items to your closet, make sure you check out Casually Yellow Mode. Everything is either like a donation from my closet, which is now mostly thrifted, so most of the items have been thrifted, or I have thrifted these items and am giving them to you. So everything is sustainably sourced, and we're not just buying brand new things and selling them. Giving everything a second life, and I would love for you guys to love on the clothes that I found, if you like them, obviously, if they're in your style. So that's that. Now I gotta go finish putting everything away that I found and tried on that I'm gonna keep from my Black Friday thrift haul, which I am gonna keep a few things which we're gonna sell. I'm keeping both Aritzia items, but they're really cute, and honestly I can't afford Aritzia, so I'm gonna keep them. I can't afford Aritzia at normal price unless I like save up, is what I mean. But that's where we're at, and I will catch up with you when we are prepping dinner. I'm not gonna enjoy this. I've decided that I look like a reindeer. Specifically, I look like Max in the Grinch when he has the one on his head by the Grinch. You know what I'm talking about? But we're gonna wind down, do skincare. I drank my lavender tea, and my plan is to do skincare, edit this video so that it can go up tomorrow. And I feel like so far I'm doing pretty good. I mean, we're only 2 days into Vlogmas, so not like that says much, but I'm not like making 21-minute videos because I don't have that much to film, and I don't have that much going on in my life. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Vlogmas. I'm so thankful that you're here, and I love you so much. Until next time. I said that out of order. Oh well. See you tomorrow. Hopefully.